Jinxie and Riley were sweetly watching their baby Bobby playing with cubes and growing up. They decided to go for a walk in the park, having fun together. When suddenly Muhammad Light came towards them, he was cool, rich, and pumped up. Jinxie couldn't help but stare at him as he passed by. Riley looked at Jinxie in disbelief. At night, Jinxie couldn't sleep, thinking about Muhammad Light. He waited until Riley was sound asleep and got out of bed, quietly creeping towards the exit. Muhammad was waiting for him on the street. They got on his motorcycle and rode ahead. It turned out that Riley was not asleep. He was watching it from the window, not believing his eyes. He decided to hire a private detective to follow them. Sneaky Golem went to a tavern and saw a dirty couple together. After collecting the evidence, he came back to Riley and told him the sad news about the betrayal. Riley was shocked and started crying with baby Bobby, hugging each other sadly.